Everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss a spreadsheet, and in this we are going to discuss using AutoSum in Excel. Introduction. This short tutorial explains what AutoSum is and show the most efficient way to use AutoSum in Excel. You will see how to automatically sum columns or row with the sum shortcut, sum only visual cells, total a selected range vertically and horizontally in one go. Where is the AutoSum button in Excel? The AutoSum button is available in two locations on the Excel ribbon. First, Home tab, Editing Group and AutoSum. First, we have to go on the Home tab. When we click on Home tab, we have to click on the Editing Group, and Editing Group there is a AutoSum. Again, next we can find out the AutoSum button by Formula tab, and in Formula tab we have to click on Function, Library Group, and then we can see the AutoSum in Formula tab. How to AutoSum in Excel? To use AutoSum in Excel, just follow these three easy steps. Select a cell next to the numbers you want to sum. To sum a column, select the cell immediately below the last value in the column, and to sum a row, select the cell to the right of the last number of the row. As you can see, in first figure, we have to write down the total in the column form, and in next second figure we have to AutoSum or make a total in the row. Click the AutoSum button on either the Home or Formula tab. The sum formula appears in selected cell, and a range of cell you are adding get highlighted. Suppose that saw this figure strictly, and you see that when we click on the AutoSum, then automatically a formula is written equals to sum bracket start B2, after that B6 bracket close, and thus by this formula we are able to add all the values from B2 cell to B6 cell in the figure. Press the enter key to complete the formula. Now you can see the calculated total in the cell and the sum formula in the formula wheel. When we click enter after inserting, after clicking the AutoSum or writing the formula, whatever we do, automatically the B2 to B6, all the value are added automatically with the AutoSum. How to AutoSum cells in a row? In this example, you have the fruit cells for the first quarter of the year in a horizontal format. To add the data row wise, select cell F2 to FR by clicking on F2 and dragging it all the way to F4. Click Home, click Advanced, and after that click AutoSum. When we click enter, cell F2 to F4 will have the sum for each month, and we will get answer in F2 cell.